Welcome to the interactive ebook chapter walkthrough of Ralph E. Hanson's Mass Communication 5th edition. In order to navigate through the chapter, begin by clicking on the arrow next to Chapter 9, Television, Broadcast, and Beyond, in the left-hand window. Clicking on the subheadings will help you navigate through each chapter part. Note that even as the page changes and scales, the page numbers listed will always match the page number of the printed book. This allows students who are using both the print and ebook versions to easily switch between the two. The Highlights tab at the top of the window allows you to highlight the text and take notes. Clicking on the menu icon on the navigation bar allows you to manage and share your notes. Students can also color code and title their highlights for easy studying. They can even share their notes and highlights with their friends or the class as a whole if desired. The search bar allows you to search for keywords or ideas throughout the text. For example, typing streaming into the search bar will pull up each time that topic is discussed in the column below. As you can see, the page and text scales so that the text will flow appropriately on whatever device students are using, including smartphones, tablets, laptop, and desktop computers. This function also works on both Macs and PCs. Now let's take a look at the key features of the book. Embedded links labeled according to media type are included throughout the chapter and aggregated in the media library. These links to video, original sources, websites, and Sage Journal articles are opened in a separate tab for easy transition between the book and its external content. Chapter opening vignettes exemplify chapter themes by engaging students with stories about the people at the center of newsworthy events. Illustrated timelines showcase the development of mass communication while placing it in broader historical context. The 7 Secrets, highlighted colored text, underscore the importance of the media literacy principle, a feature carried throughout the text that provides students a visual cue that they are about to read something extra important connected to one of these 7 secrets. Test your media literacy boxes ask students to read about current research, interviews, data, or an event, and then answer questions that elicit real analysis, such as who is the source, what is he or she saying, what evidence is there, and what do you think about the topic? Test your visual media literacy boxes, showcase images from various media, sometimes controversial, to seek instinctive reactions before providing context and questions that encourage critical assessment of how we see and interpret images and what more may be behind them. Questioning the media provides questions in the margin of every main section, prompting students with moments to stop and think so they can critically analyze current media issues and how people use and consume media. Brand new to the 5th edition, media transformation boxes help students understand the rapid rate of media changes over recent decades by text telling the story of one specific transformation per box and accompanying it with an original infographic that gives the broader picture of the transformation. A marginal glossary helps reinforce key concepts that students should understand. Sage Edge, a new robust online environment, features an impressive array of free tools and resources for review, study, and further exploration, keeping both instructors and students on the cutting edge of teaching and learning. Lastly, make sure to check out author Ralph E. Hanson's blog of current news on journalism and mass communication issues, which he updates almost daily. It's a great way to keep the content lively, engaging, and current, and is ideal for classroom discussions or outside reading for students.